InterAct for me was the opportunity to be at the forefront of developing the next generation of manufacturing strategy, because digital technologies were always going to be at the heart of that.
It wasn't enough just to invest in technology. We really needed to kind of mobilise the social sciences to get people involved and think about how are people going to be involved in the digital transformation.
My main motivation to apply for InterAct funding was the interdisciplinarity of the research.
InterAct's mission of connecting researchers and industry experts was one of the key things for me.
I was extremely motivated to join the board here with InterAct, particularly because it was bringing together such an amazing and talented group of researchers, academics, industry leaders.
In modern times, especially in the modern economy, when we have a big problem or question, a true network of interdisciplinary research would be the best chance we can have to work on these really difficult problems.
InterAct's been a fantastic community. It is a network. That's what we set out to do, is to kind of get new voices into this space of digital transformation in manufacturing.
The main goal of a network plus is to build a community of researchers.
I think the network's been successful largely because Jan and Jill are just fabulous people. They're real pioneers for the space that they're working in.
Personally, I found it life-changing because as a researcher who works with soft skills, what it made me do is bring empathy and apply it to solve a real problem within manufacturing.
I was also impressed the way they have guided through the applications. They explained what was expected, their application process and everything was very systematic, and I found it really useful.
I've met so many good, inspiring people. I've learned so much.
I think the lasting impact of InterAct will be the continuation of the collaboration that we've started here.
It's absolutely solidified how important it is to put people at the heart of progress, especially around digitalisation, around manufacturing, around all these new technologies and emerging challenges.
There is an appetite from manufacturers to learn from academia, and there's certainly an appetite for academics to learn from and to influence manufacturing.
We've already seen an impact with the work we've been doing with industry. What we'd like to see more of in the future is a broader cultural change across the sector and a willingness to embrace these new technologies.
The lasting impact of InterAct is really the demonstration of how powerful consideration of the social sciences is in technology development for manufacturing. It really stood out with the energy and passion that the leadership of InterAct have.
I would advise people to find someone that shares your vision and values, but not necessarily someone that's your best bud, because actually what you want is somebody that can complement you.
We can clearly see that we can continue in this journey for years to come. I think we have sowed the seeds of something very significant for UK manufacturing.